We are headed to the Kalar Night Bazaar. As you can see all through here, there's a lot of booths set up along the street, and the entrance to the bazaar is just ahead. So there's a lot of people on the street, but I don't know about in the bazaar. I know there's a boxing match going on tonight, so see what the crowd looks like.
Professional Thai boxing.
Nice. I always enjoy buying art when I travel. He's got some nice stuff. And that's the type of stuff I normally buy. Oh. I like that one with the boy with the umbrella. If transport and stuff wasn't such an issue, I would have to buy that. I have never been in here before, but I did do a quick walk into the wrong entrance when I first got here. That's why I know there's a boxing match going on. Honestly, don't know what to expect. Okay, there's my kind of food. And it looks like right straight ahead is where the boxing arena is. Unfortunately, I don't have a ticket, and pretty sure they wouldn't let me take video anyhow. It's a lot more quiet than I expected on a Friday night. Oh. Those are always good. It actually looks pretty good right there. So far I can say this is not what I expected. That's expected a lot more shops. Maybe I haven't got to them yet. And maybe just not any, I don't know. Games for the kids. Looks like another food area. Hot pork, or pork hot.